Integrating Calendly with System.io enables seamless appointment scheduling directly from your landing pages or funnels. Follow these steps to embed your Calendly scheduler into a System.io page. Obtain your Calendly embed code. Log into your Calendly account. Navigate to the event you wish to embed. Click on Share and select Add to Website. Choose your preferred embed option and copy the provided HTML code. Access your System.io page editor. Log into your System.io account. Go to Funnels and select the funnel containing the page where you want to add Calendly. Click on the specific page to open the editor. Embed the Calendly code. In the page editor, drag and drop the HTML code element to the desired location on your page. Click on the HTML element to edit it. Paste the Calendly embed code into the HTML editor. Click Save to apply the changes. Publish and test. Save and publish your page. Preview the page to ensure the Calendly scheduler appears and functions correctly.